In this video, I will show you how to change your country or region in the Google Play Store. First, open the Play Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap on Payment Methods. Scroll down and click on More Payment Settings. This will open in your browser. Sign in if prompted. Once you're in, tap the three lines at the top left and go to Settings. After it loads, look for the Country Region option and tap the pencil icon to edit. You'll be asked to create a new payments profile to switch to a different country. Tap Create New, then press Continue. After it loads, choose the country or region you've moved to, for example, the United States, then press Continue again. Enter your name and new address, and that's it. Your country has now been updated in the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.